The R7232 Remote Amplifier is used with a level sensor and a control head to operate the hydraulic controls for a curbing machine, a grader, or a paver. It keeps the machine at the proper angle for the paving operation.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.